Breaking down your goals into actionable steps. Setting goals is an important part of achieving success in any area of your life. However, simply having a goal in mind is not enough to ensure success. It is equally important to break down your goals into actionable steps that you can take in order to achieve them. This process helps to clarify what needs to be done, provides a roadmap for progress, and allows you to track your progress along the way. In this chapter, we will explore some of the key strategies for breaking down your goals into actionable steps. Start with the end goal in mind. The first step in breaking down your goals into actionable steps is to start with the end goal in mind. What is it that you ultimately want to achieve? This could be a specific outcome, such as completing a project, achieving a certain level of success in your career, or improving your health and fitness. Whatever your goal may be, it is important to have a clear understanding of what you are working towards. Identify the key milestones. Once you have a clear understanding of your end goal, the next step is to identify the key milestones that will help you get there. These are the major steps or achievements that need to be accomplished along the way in order to reach your goal. For example, if your goal is to complete a project, the key milestones may include conducting research, developing a plan, creating a prototype, and testing the final product. Break down the milestones into smaller tasks. With your key milestones identified, the next step is to break them down into smaller tasks. These are the individual steps that need to be taken in order to achieve each milestone. For example, if one of your milestones is to conduct research, the smaller tasks may include conducting a literature review, gathering data, and analyzing the findings. Set deadlines. Setting deadlines is an important part of breaking down your goals into actionable steps. Without a deadline, it can be difficult to stay on track and make progress towards your goal. When setting deadlines, it is important to be realistic and give yourself enough time to complete each task. It may be helpful to break down the larger milestones into smaller deadlines for each of the individual tasks. Create a plan of action. Once you have broken down your goals into actionable steps and set deadlines, the next step is to create a plan of action. This is where you will outline exactly what needs to be done and when, and how you will go about achieving each task. Your plan of action should be detailed and specific, and should include any resources or support that you may need along the way. Monitor your progress. Finally, it is important to monitor your progress as you work towards your goal. This will help you to stay on track, identify any potential roadblocks or obstacles, and make adjustments to your plan of action if necessary. Regularly tracking your progress and celebrating small wins along the way can also help to keep you motivated and focused on achieving your end goal. In conclusion, breaking down your goals into actionable steps is a crucial part of achieving success in any area of your life. By starting with the end goal in mind, identifying key milestones, breaking them down into smaller tasks, setting deadlines, creating a plan of action, and monitoring your progress, you can stay on track and make steady progress towards achieving your goals. Remember that achieving success takes time, effort, and persistence, but with a clear plan of action and a commitment to taking consistent action, you can make your goals a reality.